Bonjour! Today in this video, we are going to talk about how to learn new vocabulary using Quizlet flashcards. This method that I'm going to discuss today is one of the best ones, and it definitely really helps if you do it correctly. So here's what you do. You come onto your Quizlet flashcard set, okay? And up here at the top, you're going to go to cards, and you click on that. And then over here on the left, you're going to see where it says start, shuffle, or options. If this is the first time that I've ever seen this vocab, or maybe I've only seen it a little bit, I'm going to click on options. And under the answer, I'm going to go to both, les deux. And I'm going to make sure that the pronunciation is activated, okay? And then when I go back to my cards, I'm going to see the term in French. I'm going to see the picture, maybe a definition in English as well. And then it will pronounce it automatically for you. If you need to hear it again, you can click the little volume button here.
Vêtement.
And it tells it to you again. And then we just go through all the cards like this.
Un pantalon. Une jupe.
And I just listen and try to connect the sound in that word with that image until I get all the way through the cards.
Un polo.
And then when I'm done going through all the cards like that, I'm going to hit restart.
Un vêtement.
And now I'm going to test myself to see how much I can actually recall. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go back to options, and I'm going to select to look at
Un vêtement.
just the term in French, okay? And then I'm going to select to shuffle.
Une jupe.
Okay, so we start with une jupe. All right, let me think. Une jupe, that is a skirt. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click to check myself. Oh, yay, I got it right. Woohoo. Then I go to my next card. Un t-shirt, that's a t-shirt. Click, check myself. All right, I got it right. Way to go. Go to the next card.
Une robe.
Une robe. That is a skirt. Let me check myself. Oh, darn it, that's a dress. So what I'm going to do, since I didn't get that one correct, I know I need to study it again. I'm going to star that card, and then I'm going to keep going.
Un polo.
I think that's a polo shirt. Got it right. Awesome.
Un vêtement.
Un vêtement. I think that is an item of clothing. Let me see here. Oh, yeah, it is. However, here's where you have to be honest with yourself. Flashcards only work if you're honest with yourself. I guessed on that one. I got it right, but I still guessed. So I didn't really know it. So I'm going to star that term because I could really use some more study with it.
Un pantalon.
Let's pretend that I forget this one as well. Okay.
Un
And then go to the end. And when I get all the way through them, I have an option to restart or study the 3 starred terms. Right now, I'm just going to study these 3 starred ones. Okay.
Un vêtement.
So I'm going to go back and do these again until I can get them without guessing, right? And then what you do at that point
Une robe.
is you walk away for like at least 30 minutes. Go get a snack, go, I don't know, bug your brother or sister, go watch TV. And then after at least 30 minutes, come back and try it all again. Start all over with all of
Un
them
vêtement.
and see if you can get through all of them. We want to wait a while because you want to make sure you're testing your long-term memory, not your short-term memory, okay? So, oops, I'm accidentally doing just the starred ones. So I'm going to go back into it here. There we go. All 8. I go through that again. And let's imagine that I get them all right. Okay, now what I'm ready to do is step it up, a little more difficult. I go back to options. I'm going to turn off the pronunciation now. And then I'm going to select to look at just the picture. Okay, so this is, I think it's une jupe. Click. And to test myself on pronunciation, I'm going to click here and listen.
Une jupe.
Hey, all right, I got that one correct. All right, let's go to the next one. A blouse, a woman's shirt. I think that's une chemise. Maybe. Let me check pronunciation.
Un chemisier.
Oh, darn it, I missed that one. Okay, I'm going to star it because I need to study that one again. And then you just keep going through all of your cards until you've got just starred ones. You study those again, and then you do the same thing as the last time. You take a break for at least 30 minutes. You come back, you try them again until you can get all the way through them without making any mistakes, or with making maybe just 1 or 2 little mistakes here or there. Okay. If you have any questions, feel free to talk to me or email me. Merci. Bon travail.